Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, here we have the word problem. A boy finishes the meal in 10 minutes. And on the other hand, a girl finishes the same meal which was boy eating in 10 minutes. So the girl finishes the same meal in 13 minutes. 13 minutes. So how long will it take if the boy and the girl, they both are eating together? So how much time it will take? So for that, so what we will do, that we will make the equation 1 upon 1 divided by the time if they are eating together equal to 1 divided by boy, time taken by boy, plus 1 divided by time taken by the girl. So if they are eating together, so let's suppose it is a x. So 1 divided by x equal to 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 13. Now here we have 1 divided by x equal to the LCM of 10 and 30 will be 130. So we have 13 plus 10 divided by 130. Now by cross multiplication, 130 divided by x equal to 23. So we have 23x equal to 130. Now x will be equal to 5.65 minutes. So for converting the minutes into seconds, 5.65 multiplied 60, that will be 339 seconds. Or we can say 5 minutes 39 seconds.